Hey loves, welcome back again to another video. So I'm going to show you how I achieve this hair, and I'm hoping that you're going to find the video helpful and easy to follow. Okay, so the hair is called Ponytail and it is by Angels. It is in color 2/30. Okay, so a box has got 3 bundles of this hair, just like you can see in the video. And for the braiding gel that we're going to be using, it's called Adora. Okay, so right about now I'm just sectioning out the hair, and I'm using again my braiding gel to make sure that the hair doesn't frizz so much. So if you want to section out the hair, use braiding gel. You can use braiding gel or just any gel, it doesn't matter the type of gel that you use. So the gel will just ensure that your hair doesn't frizz so much, and it will give you easier time when you finally get to install it onto your hair. So for the first 3 braids, or rather the first 3 rows, I did feed in 6 pieces of hair, or which I'm going to show you in a few. So I'm just finishing up on sectioning out the 6 pieces of the braids, and I'm hoping that you're going to find this tutorial helpful and easy to follow. Hey loves, welcome back again to another video. My name is Jena Tungo. If it's your first time here, most welcome. If not, welcome back. Now that you're here, please be sure to subscribe, like the video, don't forget to share it to your friends and to your family, and I will truly appreciate all your support. So right about now I'm just feeding in the hair, and I'm just showing guys how I'm holding the hair, okay, because I wanted the hair to look a little bit long. So I'm going to hold it in a way that one strand is longer than the other, and that is what I'm showing you guys, and I'm hoping that you are getting exactly what I'm saying. So if you want the hair to look longer, then be sure to hold one strand should be longer than the other one, and that is exactly what I'm doing. But if you don't want the hair to look long, then you can just hold it right at the middle. So this is just my preference, but you'll choose whichever way that works for you. Okay lovely, so I started by just braiding my natural hair about 2 times, and then after that I started to feed in the pieces of extension, and I did feed in 6 times just like I told you earlier. And then after that I'll just go ahead and braid the hair. So I'll be braiding as I take out the a strand of hair, and I did that about 5 to 6 times depending on I really didn't count, but again I didn't want the hair to be like a super full. So if you want the hair to look like a super full, then you can take out as many strands as you want, but for me I just wanted it to look okay full, but not like so full that will give me hard time when I finally get to maintain the hair. Another thing that I haven't mentioned is the fact that this is my first time trying this hair out, so I was afraid that it's going to tangle, and that is the reason why I didn't leave too much hair, because you all know having such kind of hairstyle, and when it tangles it will be something else. That is why I left some few strands of hair here and there, and that's about it. So I know you're going to ask me, so how do I maintain the hair? So I'll normally spray a mixture of water and leave-in treatment, and that's about it. So that is how I get to maintain the hair, and I do that every other single day. Another question that I know you're going to ask me is how many boxes are enough to achieve a full look. So I used 2 boxes of hair, which I didn't even get to finish. I promise I didn't get to finish like the 2 boxes of this hair. So if you're going for the same hairstyle, then 2 boxes is just more than enough, and the hair is retailing between 200 to 250 Kenya shillings depending on the beauty store.
If I can't have you, who else am I gonna hold on to? I'm falling apart and you'll never know. It's all I think of when I'm alone. And if I'm free, why do I feel so bound to you?
Okay, Lavi, so I'm sorry about the background noise. So there's some construction going around my area, and that is why you can hear some, noises here and there. So I'm sorry about that. Okay, so another thing that I wanted to mention out is that this here was specifically to show you guys how I did my ponytail braids. So I didn't get to show you how I get to part my hair, but I have like 3 videos where I show how I part my hair for box braids or twists and all that good stuff. Okay, so I'm going to link one video, 1 or 2. So I have like a more than 3 video. I did like 3 videos where I show different way you can part your hair for box braids, twist and all that. So this video was specifically to show you guys how I get to do these ponytail braids, especially for those who haven't tried this hairstyle. You can just change your mind and give it a try. And if you will, please let me know in the comment section down below. Okay, and I'm hoping that you're going to learn a thing or 2. Okay, Lavi, so I hope you remember when I told you earlier that the first rows, the ones that I did at the back, I did fit in 6 pieces of hair. So once I reach towards the front part of the hair, I did fit in 8 pieces of extension, simply because I wanted the hair to look the same in length. Okay, because again, I didn't want the front part of the hair, I didn't want the hair to look shorter than the ones I did at the back. So be sure to add in some more hair, just to make sure that your hair, it doesn't matter, it can be braids and all that stuff, you just want the hair to look same in length. And I thought you should know. So that is what I meant when I told you, like the first 3 rows I did at the back, I did fit in 6 pieces of hair, and then once I reached towards the front section of the hair, I did fit in 8 pieces of hair, simply because I wanted the hair to look the same in length. Okay, Lavi, so if you've watched this video to this very point, thank you so much for tuning in. I just want to make a request. Okay, so I am looking forward to monetize my channel this year. I've been in this platform for some time now, more than 2 years, so I haven't monetized my channel yet, but I'm looking forward to monetize my channel, and that is where you come in. So if you're watching this video, please help me share it to your friends and to your family. I will truly appreciate it. I genuinely enjoy doing hair tutorials, and that is why I have this channel here, because I feel like it helps also help me personally. I am now a braider, something that I never thought I'll be. Okay, I'm always passionate about doing my hair, but now I have enhanced my skill and I do other people's hair as well. So I'm very grateful for this platform, and I'm looking forward for more growth. Okay, so again, if you've watched this video to this very point, help me share it to your friends and tell your friends to share it to their friends as well, and that is how I'll get to get more views and in return get the watch hours. So I'm really struggling to get the watch hours, which is one of the things that YouTube are looking for before you can monetize their your channel. So please share my videos, watch my videos, share them, and I will appreciate it. So thank you for staying to this very point. I'll now leave you all to watch the remaining part of the video, and I'm hoping that you've learned a thing or 2. And if you have any questions or concerns, please leave them in the comment section down below. So bye for now and take care.